Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Today we are going to see a recipe which is almost everyone's favorite, that is Chocolava cake. Now you can make this yummy Chocolava cake at your home by following this simple recipe. So let's have a look at the ingredients. For this we need 100 grams of dark chocolate, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Here I am using unsweetened cocoa powder. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, sift all the dry ingredients. 1 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, now mix all the dry ingredients using a hand whisk. Then add milk little at a time and mix well. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Now melt the dark chocolate using double boiler method. Now add some butter and mix well. You can also melt the chocolate and butter together in a microwave. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in the prepared cake batter and give it a mix. Then add the melted dark chocolate and mix well. Now pour the prepared cake batter in the cupcake mold. Here I am using silicone cupcake molds. You can use aluminium foil cupcake molds as well. Gently tap the molds to get rid of the air bubbles. Bake these in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. For the Chocolava cake, the surface will not be firm, it will be soft, as it has the chocolate lava filled in it. Serve this delicious Chocolava cake right away. You can see here the delicious lava. I will show you one by unmolding it. Now let's cut this lava cake. Wow, the delicious lava is coming out. You can see it is filled with molten lava. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.